Hi everyone, ready for another addition story? I made this one a little bit harder, so I'm hoping you can help me with this challenge. I made another picture story here that has some blue dots and some red dots. Let's count up how many blue dots there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to write that down so I remember. Let's count how many red dots there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I wrote addition stories up here, which means that we're going to be putting those two numbers together and making a whole group out of those two parts. I want to solve it by using 10 frames, a number track, and then I'm going to finish with my number sentence. Okay, first to do my 10 frames, I'm going to add my 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to add my 8 red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when I ran out of room on the first 10 frame, that's when I go to the next 10 frame. That means that the answer is going to be more than 10. Let's count up how many dots I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Another way I could count that up is I know that this is 10 because it's a 10 frame, right? So that means that there are 10 dots right there. So if I know there are 10 dots there, do I need to count to 10? Not really. I could just start at 10 and then keep counting. 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay. Here's my number track. I'm going to try the same thing with my dots. Here's my 6 blue. And here's my 8 red. Oops! I ran out of room on my number track. That's because it only goes to 10. How many more do I need? I said up here that I have 14. So if I've made it to 10, I know that I'm going to need 4 more dots. And I'm going to put my numbers under it, 11, 12, 13, 14. And that's my second number track. And this one would go all the way to 20. Okay. So now that I've gotten 14 from my 10 frames and 14 from my number track, I think I'm ready to write my number sentence or my equation. Okay. What number would go here? Yep, we've been starting with 6. 6 plus, did you say 8? Yeah. And what is 6 plus 8? Remember, we solved it 2 ways. Yep, it's 14. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Can you try saying that? Good job. Can you get a piece of paper and try out 2 different addition stories that equal something that's more than 10? I bet you can do it.